In this video, you'll learn how to customize system settings. Click on the settings icon, then system settings. You can change a lot of the default options, such as choosing the metric or imperial measurement system, the length precision, the default door width and style, the wall thickness, and toggling whether you want the details window to pop up whenever you add new objects like doors or staircases. You can also choose if you want the product you add to a room to go halfway into the doorways. There is a little disclaimer here saying that if you toggle this, it won't affect existing doors, so make sure you toggle this before you start adding doors. Also note that if you change something like the default door style, this is connected to adding a door while measuring with the laser. This is not connected to dragging and dropping doors.